Hey guys, a quick tutorial on how to make your fonts awesome by converting your text to a shape. This is just a very easy tool that can really create a big effect. So I'm going to hop into a blank spread here. When you convert your text to a shape, you can manipulate it in more ways. I always like to turn on my grid and text to create a text box, and I'm just going to type in headline for our purposes. Headline. And so if I really want to make this just super graphic, super just like aesthetically pleasing and very much like a part of my design, I'm going to make it bigger, obviously. Your headline should grab attention. People should know where to look. In order to convert your text to a shape, it's got to be in a little bit bigger font. So I'm just going to make it 48 for right now. I'm going to make it bold just because. And then I go up here to object and I can click convert text to shape. If your original font is too small, it will not convert text to shape, but you'll get a little box that pops up and shows you that. So with my select arrow, now I can move this, and you notice that I can't edit it as text anymore. So before you convert your text to shape, proofread it. Make sure it is spelled right, capitalized correctly, because otherwise you have to start over, which is not a huge deal, but just a little tip. So with my select out arrow, now I can really manipulate this font however I want it. Maybe I do want it really tall and kind of skinny like that for whatever reason. Great. Maybe I want to stretch it across the whole page. That's kind of a fun effect sometimes, and make it shorter there. So there's a lot of things that you can do that you can't do in just a normal text box. A couple other things that you can do. You can change the color of it. I'll just do this color for now. You can change the color of font as well, but you can change the color. And then another cool thing that you can do, and this doesn't always work, you'd have to have a really perfect word and photo for this, but when your text is a shape, you can pull in a picture to the font, okay? So again, this doesn't work for everything, but you could do some really cool stuff with this. We don't want text across the gutter, but just for effect here. Oh, no, it's like, don't do it. So if you had a reason to do something this big and bold, you can drag photos into text as well. And that is only if you convert your text to shape. So again, remember, text box, type in your font, make it a little bit bigger, and then object, convert text to shape. And then here you are able to manipulate your font in ways that you weren't able to before. Again, if you realize you have a spelling error after the fact, you do have to just delete and start over. But that is a quick way to really take your spreads to the next level.